Welcome to Crypto Horizon. In today's video, we'll explore the exciting world of the BingX crypto exchange. As cryptocurrency continues to evolve, finding the right platform for trading is crucial, and BingX stands out as a top choice for both new and experienced traders. BingX offers a user-friendly interface, making it easy for anyone to start trading. With its exceptional features, you can trade across various cryptocurrencies, take advantage of leverage, and even explore copy trading, where you can follow and mimic the strategies of successful traders. Imagine being able to learn from the best while you grow your investment. One of the most significant benefits of using BingX is its competitive trading fees. The platform prides itself on providing low-cost options, ensuring that you keep more of your profits. Plus, with advanced security measures in place, you can have peace of mind knowing that your assets are safe. Now, here's something that will make your experience even better. By signing up using my referral code, CHUCHU, you'll unlock exclusive bonuses that can enhance your trading journey. This code offers you special promotions and potentially reduces your fees even further, giving you an edge in the fast-paced world of crypto. In addition to the incentives, BingX boasts a vibrant community where traders share insights and strategies. Joining BingX means you are not just entering a platform, but becoming part of an ecosystem where knowledge and support flourish. So don't wait any longer. Sign up for BingX today and remember to enter the referral code CHUCHU to take full advantage of the offers available to you. Dive into the dynamic landscape of cryptocurrency trading with confidence and enjoy all that BingX has to offer. Thank you for watching. If you found this video informative, make sure to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Stay tuned for more insights, tips, and updates right here on Crypto Horizon.